Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FundedNext to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MetaTrader 5 application from your Google Play Store or App Store on your device. Once you have done that, you need to make sure that you have your login credentials available. You can check that out with the help of your FundedNext account dashboard. So when you purchase your account with FundedNext, you are going to get access to your dashboard. In that particular dashboard, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials that include your MT5 login ID, the password, and the server name. You will also receive an email with all these three things. So you can also copy the details from there. So once you have it, simply launch your MetaTrader 5 application. Afterwards, tap on this plus icon on the home page. Now simply use the search bar on the top. Then you need to simply look for that particular server that you are assigned to. So when you type or when you basically paste that server name over here, it will be shown in the list. You just have to tap on that. Then simply provide your login ID. After that, provide your login password. Then tap on the option of login. So this way you will be able to easily connect your FundedNext account to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. You just have to basically copy the credentials that you have received after purchasing your FundedNext account. Then you need to simply paste them one by one over here in order to connect your FundedNext account with MT5. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.